I'm challenging you to make monster slime. True! Yes, monster slime! How in the world can you make slime? Well, first you're going to need the following ingredients. Number 1, half a cup of water. Number 2, a teaspoon of baking soda. Number 3, a tablespoon of contact solution. And number 4, a bottle of glue. Now you can use pretty much any glue you like. I am using glow-in-the-dark glue so that I can make this glow in the dark. Here is how you do it. In the bowl, what you'll be doing is first emptying out the glue into a bowl, all right? So we'll be emptying it into here. And you just squeeze it out, okay? Now you might be wondering, why on earth are we actually creating slime? The reason why we're creating slime is because I mentioned to you, it can be really difficult when we are angry and upset, when someone has said something to us or done something to us, something mean and nasty, something that never should have happened. It can be easy for us to get angry. But it's always better to respond with kindness. The best way to do it is to take a step back to think. With our slime, it's going to be our way to do that, right? Through this slime, once we create it, if we ever get upset, this is something we can play with, something that we can kind of squish, and it'll help us manage our anger, all right? So I put in the glue, and now I'm pouring water, and I'm gonna mix it, all right? So I've got a fork here, and I'm gonna begin mixing, all right? Now, I wanna share some stuff with you. A lot of times, people call anger a monster, all right? They call anger a monster, or as some like to say, monster. Not moonster. Moonster is a type of cheese. I think that's what it's called. But a monster, all right? Anger can be thought of as a monster. And we're gonna be giving it a name because this slime is gonna represent our anger, okay? And we're gonna shape it, and then we're gonna remember in the future, if we ever do feel angry, we'll use it as a way to calm down. All right, continuing to mix. This also is a great workout. Some of you guys might be noticing, Brother Amin, wow, you have big muscles. Brother Amin, wow, have you been working out? Look at those muscles. And the answer is yes, actually I have been working out. I've been working out quite a bit. As a matter of fact, trying to get healthy. It is a big part of my goals for the year. All right, so I'm mixing this really well, all right? You gotta mix it nicely, make sure that the water and the glue all get in there well, okay? It was half a cup of water. Now, after the two of them have been mixed together, what I'm gonna be doing is adding some baking soda, all right? Here's the baking soda, putting it in there, all right? And now after I've added that, I'm going to mix this in. All right. Add in the baking soda. And then finally, I'm going to be adding in the contact lens solution. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Okay? Now I'm going to put this together. Ooh, and I can feel it. Oh, man. You can almost see it developing here. This is kind of exciting. Now, I want to just reiterate a couple of the things that I said on the program today. Anger is a normal feeling. It's not wrong to feel angry. The question is, what do we do about it? If we get angry, that is fine. But how do we deal with it? Number one, it's never okay to be disrespectful. So if someone made me angry and I talked to them, to shout and to yell, to say mean and nasty words, it doesn't do anything for me. That's not something we should do. Something that we should do when we're angry, we should take a moment. Sit down if we're standing up. Lay down if we were sitting down. Play with slime if we need to. Take a moment to sit and to think. And ideally, instead of responding with disrespect, instead of saying something mean and nasty, respond with kindness. Because if we can be kind, well then, we'll be able to make change. So let's see this. Oh, let me just mix it a little bit more. Man. And it was so easy. So each one of you can do this. This is the most amazing slime. Oh my gosh. So here's the thing. If it becomes too sticky, you can add more contact solution, okay? The more contact solution you add, the less sticky it is. I will be honest with you. I feel like this should have a little bit more contact. It's pretty sticky. And also, no, I think it's okay. And also, this is, I want to do something. I want to do something. Okay, get ready for this. Get ready for this. Okay? I've been having a lot of allergies lately, okay? With my allergies, sometimes my nose will get a little bit stuffy, and when my nose gets a little bit stuffy, sometimes I have this, chew! Oh, look at what came out. Oh my goodness. I need some Kleenex. This is too much. Oh no. Oh, no. Achoo! Oh no. I'm just joking. All right.